Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the AWS Lambda Python function loggers, handlers, what is the default handler name, and CloudWatch log group logs and timeout, and how to use set formatter methods. Basically, that is used for code debugging and analysis for the AWS Python Lambda function. So let's start. We have already created a one video, basic video. So kindly go through. And we can click on the AWS Lambda. We need to search here Lambda and go to the Lambda function. So that is the Lambda functions we have created. And what we need to do, how this will print the values using the environment, OS environment value, loggers and all these things I will show you. So basically we have a default code already. I think we have written here itself. So let me go through. Import JSON, module JSON, we need to OS module. So because we are going to take printing one environment, Lambda environment value, and logging, I hope everybody knows about for loggers. And this is the default AWS Lambda function name, Lambda handler. It will consist of event, it's a dictionary type of the and context as well, right? And context means like whatever the Lambda function URL. I will show you because I have already printed. So if you are using logging, so logger.get logger.set label is logging.debug, right? Logging.debug, basically it will print all the logger info, debug one, critical and everything, right? Because debug is less priority, so it will print everything. And we are using with logger with timestamp and all these things. So in the Python we do have a one stream handler class, okay? And we can use this stream handler method is looks like a set formatter, and formatter is a method. Here is the method of the logging, like it's a logger, right? So we have given the time, label name and message, okay? Stream.handler dot set formatter, then we can add the formatter, okay? This formatter, and it will print looks like a print event. So this event, what is comes inside that, when we are going to test we will show this, and format event, right? And same thing in context, it will print normal print function, debug, logger.debug, environment, OS environment, and then environment. We have a one environment variable itself, right? And logger.info, and that is the these things, right? Way of writing this is clearly, I hope you are getting, right? And we will go about the configuration sections. So this is the, just a second, we have a one environment key, value is development, okay? So we will print by this as well, right? If you are going here, right? Okay, so we do have some code already which we have already wrote, right? I showed you, and handler, and here we are printing the environment, right? And we are calling OS environment and printing this format and all, right? So I will show you, this is handler name, how we can lambda.login.py, and which Python file has a lambda, so we can define here is handler, lambda logging.lambda.handler. In my earlier video, first video, introduction video, I have explained this, right? With error and all, right? And hopefully we do have a timeout section. Let me see what we have called forward log timeout handler set formatter. I have explained. And this is the 3 second. We can go and make it execution is 1 and save it, okay? And apart this, right, let's go for the code execution. In the test we just need to create a one event, it's a click on test and it's create event new, okay? And we will print this key value, my like so C source AWS, okay? So template and just need to test. So this is execution succeed, and now we are going for CloudWatch logs, right? Okay, and we can here itself, right? CloudWatch, just need to open CloudWatch here itself and click on this, and then it's CloudWatch, and go select the log group inside the logs. Okay, select the log group and then AWS Lambda, this is the prefix, right? And then your function name, right? What is the function name here, right? This is function name is Lambda logging. Just copy and Lambda logging, and just now we can see the things, right? Click on this, right? We do have a stream. This is recent stream is created, and now we can see the logs, right? And I would say here it's so basically that is the start time of our Lambda, right? And after the started, print event result. So source is AWS, we have created key 1, key 2 when we are executing here, right? So this is source is AWS, so that is comes into the event, right? And we can see here it's a code, and we can go next one. Print context result. I'll show you the what is the context result. That is the info. Logger is info, that is the timing, and it's ID. Okay, and AWS request ID is this, and log group name in the context it will come, right? And logging parameter, memory, and function version, and all these things will come. Hello print function, so that is also like a hello print function is coming from here itself, right? Okay guys, environment is development, that is coming in the development itself, and this is the info, timing, and request ID, right? Okay, environment is development, and this is also here printed, right? Like format environment, this is logger.info, and info coming like time, label in info, and message. Okay, that is coming truth is, right? If you talk about that info, timing, and this is request ID by default come, and that is the name. Environment is development. So that is all these things, right? While printing with logger and all these things, log group is we can find in CloudWatch log group. If you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.